Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to MetaTrader 5. So first thing, open your Exness app, then go to your profile, and then you will find here server for MetaTrader 5. Just copy it. Then go to MetaTrader app, open it, then go to settings here on the bottom right corner, click on new account, and then in the search bar paste the server, then click on this one. Then they will ask you to enter login and password. Just go back to Exness, you copy your login from here, and then you put the password the same as Exness, then click done, and here you go. You will have your Exness linked to your MetaTrader account. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.